Today I will show you how you can link your dataset or your Facebook pixel to your Shopify store with the conversion API, and also how you can test it, and also how you can add as many pixels as you want. First of all, if you never see, if this is your first time, you will see no pixels here. Go here and click connect data in your dataset. Actually, in your event manager, connect data, web, next, create new dataset, my pixel for Shopify. Next, create. Setup manager. This is the best option. Conversion API, finish, refresh the page. You see, here is my pixel, and go to settings. You will see add the pixel information. Now, Shopify store, and search for apps. Go apps, Shopify. And search Pixelify. This is the app we will use today. It's for Facebook pixels and also support TikTok and Snapchat. I already installed the app, so we just click install. I click open. So this is the UX and UI of the application. Next, activate the app. Wait, okay, it's activated. And next, select my pixel for Shopify. Come here, copy dataset in, paste, click to activate the conversion API. It's go down, 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 and the generate access token. Generate access token. Cup. Test event. Website. Wait. Bed. Copy. Paste. Save. Next. I basically choose the yearly plan because it's come with the 15% discount, and both plans have a discount. Have 7 days for sure. Approve. Okay, here is our pixel bin setup. Let's go to our store. Copy link of your store, or go to here, click here, enter, test events. As you see, I have here Meta Pixel Helper. You can download from Chrome, Google Chrome extensions, and test the events. As you see, be careful to not have the ad block activated in your browser. Look at the events. Check out, and you say check out. The event will be tracked and sent to Meta instantly. See the events here. Everything is work, and you will wait a little bit, and you will see also this is event coming from the browser. And you will see event also coming from the server. You see, here is everything is tapped correctly. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or anything, let me know in the comment below. And you can add as many pixels as you want. Just come here, Facebook, in the Facebook section, add, and add with the same way. You can add this pixel for specific collections, specific products, or wherever you want. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.